Ever wonder why everyone is talking about Dogecoin, Shiba Inu, and Pepe Coin? These coins aren't just internet humor, they're actually real cryptocurrencies making waves in the crypto market. But what exactly are meme coins, and should you be paying attention? So what are meme coins? Simply put, a meme coin is a type of cryptocurrency created primarily for fun, inspired by internet memes and driven largely by community enthusiasm and social media hype, rather than offering any intrinsic value or utility. Meme coins are a type of cryptocurrency that started as a joke or based on a popular internet meme. The first and most famous meme coin is Dogecoin, which began in 2013 as a parody of Bitcoin, using a logo based on the Shiba Inu dog from the Doge meme. Unlike Bitcoin or Ethereum, which have serious purposes like digital payments or smart contracts, meme coins are mostly for fun and community engagement. And why are meme coins popular? Meme coins have gained popularity because they tap into internet culture and humor. They're often cheap to buy, allowing people to own thousands or even millions of them for just a few dollars. This low cost can create a sense of excitement as people feel that they're part of a community or a fun movement, rather than just making an investment. The role of community and hype. The value of meme coins isn't based on any underlying technology or utility. Instead, their price is driven by social media hype, celebrity endorsements, and community enthusiasm. When famous personalities tweet about a meme coin, or when a community rallies behind one, the coin's value can skyrocket. This happened with Dogecoin when Elon Musk frequently mentioned it on Twitter, leading to massive price surges. A more recent meme coin which has gained popularity is Pepe Coin, inspired by the Pepe the Frog meme. Its appeal comes from tapping into a different meme culture and attracting those who are looking for the next big meme coin. Like its predecessors, Pepe Coin's value is driven more by community support and internet hype than by any technological innovation. Risks involved. While meme coins can be exciting, they are extremely risky investments. Their prices can fluctuate wildly, and many people buy them in hopes of quick profits. However, because they lack a solid foundation, their value can also plummet just as quickly. It's important to remember that investing in meme coins should be done with caution and not seen as a guaranteed way to make money. So, there you have it, a quick dive into the world of meme coins. While they can be fun and even profitable for some, always remember to do your own research and never invest more than you can afford to lose. If you enjoyed this video and want to learn more about the diverse world of cryptocurrency, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Crypto King. See you in the next one.